Unfortunately, I couldn't find any video on this on YouTube, and I didn't record taking it apart because I didn't know what I was doing. It was all a learning curve. But I will show it apart and show all the different tricks and what I figured out to getting this console out. The problem was the knob under here. This whole console, when you put the brakes on, would just slide forward. So something snapped, something broke inside, and I'll show you what actually broke and how I managed to fix this. The other nice thing is all these trays that are in there. When you have this out and you got all the trays removed, you can just rinse them down in water and they clean up perfectly. So I hope this helps somebody. This is a BMW 740i 2001, and this is how you fix this console. I've already taken mine apart, but I'll show you what you got to do. Basically, the lid, you slide the armrest forward and you can lift, just pry this guy out. You can see there's clips on it. So once that's out, you'll see two screws here. Undo the two screws. Yeah, let me point the camera up there. Undo the two screws, and then you can see there's a tab in here. The whole console, you have to just kind of rock it back and forth and it goes forward. Once you have the console out, because the console on mine was just something snapped. What broke on this guy is you can remove these screws, undo the two side pieces, and then this will come out. And then you'll find that this sits in a post over here, and the post broke. So it's not pushing this lever up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to epoxy a spring here, because this is the guy right here that actually grabs in these notches here. It grabs that and keeps it from sliding. So that's basically it. Oh, and these, to get this off, you got to remove these guys, and they pry up from the outside edge. You can pry it up and then slide it to the right, so they come out, and then you'll find more screws wherever they were. They were underneath this. There's one in the front and one in the back that you got to remove.